Greetings, fellow garden enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of gardening and composting. Specifically, we're going to discuss an unconventional yet intriguing method to enrich your soil, creating bone meal. Now, before we embark on this journey, let's clarify that this method is not for the faint-hearted. It's a bit extreme, but as gardeners, we're always up for a challenge. Bone meal is an organic fertilizer derived from animal bones, but remember, always consult your local laws and regulations before attempting this. To start off, you need animal bones. You can either accumulate them yourself or source them from a local butcher or farm. Once you have your bones, place them in a large container like a barrel or bin. You can create your own bio-compost system added to your soil. But again, remember that this is an alternative method and not recommended for everyone due to its complexity and potential hazards if not done correctly. That wraps up our quick guide on making bone meals for your garden soil. Remum is beer. Always prioritize safety and follow all local guidelines when attempting this method. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy composting!